Hi everyone. I want to share with you a real cool demo of how you can use ChatGPT or the AI PDF GPT to go and create a summary for you, but also get some real-time information and put that in the summary and then save it all in AI Drive. Let's say that I'm a real estate agent, so I'm going to start by saying, what's my role, right? I'm a real estate agent, and my client is interested in buying in the city of Mountain View, California. Please create a summary of the city for him. So like at this point, AI PDF is using basically the knowledge that the GPT has, or GPT 4.0 has in this case, to kind of create an overall, summary of what's happening, what is about Mountain View, right? So like what does it mean for someone that's trying to buy there? But what we're going to do is that we're going to go one step further and say, please search the web to get up to date information about the city, events, etc., and merge to create a complete summary. So we say that, and when I say search the web, really is triggering the AI PDF GPT to go and use the tool, which is searching the web and getting real-time information. So you can see here, if you click, you can see that it went on Bing, and then it went on Wikipedia, the site for the city of Mountain View, mountainview.gov, Live Nation, Mountain View Art and Wine, which is an events website for Mountain View. And then now you have a much better summary, right? It has information that is more current, right? So you can see here, community and lifestyle, public culture and arts, so Mountain View Performing Arts, conclusion. So you have a lot more, and then it points to the Mountain View City website, and including like these current events here. So now what you're gonna do next is you're gonna tell the GPT to say, save this as a nice PDF. So now it's going to use its internal ability to create code and write a PDF file from this summary. So it's doing this in this analyzing here. You can actually click and see the code, but you don't need to understand this if you don't want to. You just let it do its job, and let's see what's going to happen. Yep. All right. It saves this PDF. Great. So now we're going to do the final step, which is save this in AI Drive. And so over here, I already connected my AI Drive account with the AI PDF GPT, so it automatically saves. So the PDF is being saved to AI Drive. You can access it using the following link, and then there's a link here, right? So you can just go and click the link. It opens the AI Drive and immediately opens the City of Mountain View, California updated summary with all the information there. And this is saved in the AI Drive itself. You can come here and go upload it on, and you can see the file there, Mountain View City Summary. Right there. So yeah, so this is like a cool way for you to use basically a combination of the power of the GPT in thinking through things and writing like a basic outline. Then it goes out on the web, grabs current information, enriches that, saves as a PDF, and then sends to AI Drive so you can use later with the GPT or using with the AI in AI Drive as well. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.